Hey, hello Taurus. This is Premata Azad from Divine Guidance, and here's your weekly card reading from 4th of September till 10th of September 2017. Firstly, I would like to mention as it's a general card reading, so things may not resonate with everybody, so it's totally fine and it's okay, right? Okay, this is your Monday, Tuesday card, Wednesday, Thursday card, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the weekend card, challenge card, and this is your angel advice card. Okay, so here we go with the first card, which says uh, you may get a unexpected news, so better try to save resources or money for any kind of emergency. This is valid for everyone, like always be prepared, always be prepared for any kind of situation. Okay, one more thing I would like to add: don't worry, don't get nervous, or just don't worry. It is not always about a big bad news. It could also mean that you need to you need to have a drastic change in your life, like change something that you have been doing for a long time, change a habit, or change the way of looking at things. And it's a drastic change, like immediately, like go for the change. Okay, your life needs a change, a big change. Okay, and then I see you working. You're a hardworking person, Taurus. You do things very nicely. You love your job. You give all your 100% to your job, and you put things in a very organized manner that you are about to do in the coming week. Again, you are about to do, and you will earn good. And you will earn slowly. Maybe you will earn slowly, but you will earn. Do you feel lonely at times, Taurus? Or a little depressed? Know that your guides are around, your angels are always around. Okay, and pray as much as possible. Give all your worries to God, or try meditating. Meditation, try to do some meditation. Just listen to soft music. Try to focus on your breath, and don't worry about your finances. You'll do good. And I see you as a very good hearted person. Okay, try to be in touch with your family, your parents. Okay, call them up and just say hi. How you doing? Okay. Challenge card says that if you have been expecting something from a particular job, or like someone whom you love or like for a long time, they may hurt you. So better set boundary line. Like it is like very easy to say, I'm very sure, but be careful. It's on your challenge position, which says that someone may try to hurt you, or may going to hurt you. Be careful, do not trust everyone blindly. Okay, and if you have any chest pain or something related to your heart, please just go for a checkup. Do not like ignore physical illness, any kind of physical illness. Do not ignore. Okay, angels advising you have a very good partner, maybe a business partner whom you work with. He or she is good at whatever you do together, and you have this good you have this blessed relationship, maybe with your wife or your partner, like business partner. It is not about always love relationship, know that. It could also mean that whoever you work with, that particular person is very good for you, and you guys will do good, uh, like in business or whatever you guys will do together, it'll flourish. Okay, and if it is about your partner, your life partner, then know that you have a blessed relationship with your wife. okay, or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband. Or this could also mean that if something like this happens with you, don't worry. If I think you already have a steady relationship. Another thing, those who are not into a steady relationship will get one very soon. It's an angel advice card. Angels are advising you, your relationship is very much blessed. If you are single, someone definitely going to come into your life really soon. Okay. Taurus, don't worry. The week will go very nice with you. You need a change in your life. You may get unexpected news as well, so be prepared for that. And with your project, do well. You are already doing good, and you will earn good in future. Don't worry. Don't be depressed. Don't feel lonely, and try to avoid this. How you can set boundary line from everybody set boundary line, invisible one. Be good with everyone, be polite, be kind, share love, everything, but you should have that boundary from everyone, so that nobody breaks your heart. Do not believe everyone or anyone particular whom you love the most blindly, please. Okay, please take care, Taurus, and I will be back with the next weekly card reading for you really soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, lots of divine love and blessings to you, Taurus. Love you. Bye bye.